quick tip on custom transitions. Here, I have a lens flare. You see it goes from black to full screen to black again. If I bring this onto the timeline, I'm not sure when the transition actually happens. Here, it's too late. It looks like right about here is the full screen transition that should be over the cut. So a trick I use is to place a marker on the full screen part, and that's what I drag onto the cut. So let's look for it. Right here is perfect. I'm gonna press M for marker, and that's what I'll drag over the cut between the two clips. Now let's watch it. That makes sense. We go all the way up to the full screen, and then it fades out on the new clip. This isn't specific to lens flares. It can be for any kind of custom transition that you have.